I'm pretty sure these blue angel eyes are illegal, but man, they look pretty cool. I kind of like to tell people what to do, so I figured let's do some lessons. Lesson 1, how to merge or how not to merge. And this car here in the snowy conditions merges into my lane instead of the nearest lane, which is supposed to be the curb lane, not the center lane. And of course I got a brake, which doesn't make me happy. Plus, they don't even stay in their own lane to begin with, which doesn't allow this car to pass. I'll tell you what, every time I see a Porsche Cayenne, I stay away. I don't even try to pass this guy because, as you see here, you see a car over to the right here just starting to merge out into traffic. And of course the Porsche Cayenne comes into the oncoming lanes to try to pass. And all you need to do is wait 3 seconds to get into their own left lane. Never trust a Porsche. Lesson 2, how not to pass. This is pretty self-explanatory. On the shoulder, passing everybody. And anybody who has a car cam knows how close this is because objects are closer than they appear. So he comes and passes, and just cuts right in when there's plenty of room to just go ahead a bit further. So read your driver's handbooks because this is pretty clear and very simple. On the right side here you'll see, well, the light turns red and then this, I believe it's a Range Rover, decides to go on the red. So I gotta wait for you. I don't think so. Honk. You'll see this pilot on the right here decide to go right through the red light, even though we all had time to slow down. You simply can't make excuses and say it's the weather conditions, the road conditions, because we stopped. Speaking of stopping, if you're a school bus driver and the light is yellow and about to turn red, going through an intersection, and again, I stopped. This school bus actually didn't touch the brakes and just blew right through and changed lanes right in the middle of the intersection. How safe is that for your kids? Lesson 4, get off your phones. Easy. Nice easy one. You can see this person, hands-free call. No, you're holding your phone. Just put it down. You can do a hands-free call that way. And this chump doesn't even hide it. Has the whole phone right to his head and talking. Really? Again, the technology is there. You don't need to hold it to your head. And there's a nice side view of him, again, holding that phone, just continually talking. So I don't care if you have a limp, you hurt your leg. If you don't have the accessible parking permit, you don't park here. He gets out of his car, starts limping and hobbling along. We made eye contact and he faked it the whole way. Truck drivers, take note, please. Traveling at highway speeds, you think if something happens in front of me and I need to stop that you're able to stop that close? And this guy here in this Lexus drove me nuts. He kept on coming so close, and again, on this camera, objects are way closer than they appear. And again, he's so impatient to turn left or get past me that he's trying to cross into oncoming lanes. Not cool. And he does it multiple times. Here it is again. There's nowhere for him to go. There's like bumper to bumper traffic right in front of me. There's nowhere to go. And he just kept on coming so close to me. And again, if something happened, I need to just brake. Look how close this guy is to me. This is ridiculous. All to drop his daughter off at school. Again, a nice example you're giving your kids. Well, thanks for watching. Please drive safe. And driving is a hell of a lot simpler when you just take your time, you leave space, you watch your speed, and you just follow common courtesy on the road. Pretty much everything I'm showing you in this video is just things that can be avoided and things that can cause accidents. And totally, these are such avoidable things, and it comes down to driver error and stupidity.